Namaskar, I'm Pradosh Sharma and you're watching Rhythm. In a world where technology is at our fingertips, the digital realm has become as much a battleground as it is a tool of progress. Just as it simplifies our life, it also opens doors to unseen dangers. In this era of digital warfare, the screen in front of us can be a weapon just as powerful as any other military arsenal. With cyber attacks shaping global conflicts, every click, every signal, every code is now part of a new age battlefield. Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu recently made waves by confirming a cyber strike in Lebanon targeting Hezbollah's communications through pagers. Yes, even pagers can be repurposed in a cyber operation. In September, a blast triggered by manipulative pagers reportedly killed Hezbollah members. While pagers seem like relics, their simplicity and lack of traceable tech make them hard to track, an ironic vulnerability that turned deadly. Israel's cyber forces managed to weaponize this outdated device, leaving the world to question just how far digital attacks can go. But the digital battleground is not exclusive to Israel and Lebanon. In a parallel event, Iran's critical infrastructure came under severe cyber attacks last month, leading to widespread disruptions. From power grids to transport systems, this complex attack has thrown Iran into a disarray, hinting a state-level planning akin to the Stuxnet operation of a decade ago, which also targeted Iran's nuclear infrastructure. Across continents, digital warfare is redefining security threats. China, for example, is often accused of cyber espionage, with its hackers reportedly infiltrating networks in Germany, Australia, and even Middle Eastern entities studying human rights issues. Cyber espionage has become the silent weapon in the arsenal of many nations. From tampering with government sites to stealing intellectual property, the aim is clear: strategic advantage achieved without ever stepping foot on foreign soil. And it's not just state actors that feel the brunt. In a recent twist, Chinese hackers were linked to scams targeting wealthy individuals in South Asia operating from Myanmar and Cambodia. As the digital space becomes both shield and sword, its dangers are evident in the financial losses, the ideological manipulations, and the rising threats to personal and national security. Digital warfare or cyber warfare is no longer a distant threat, it is an everyday reality. As nations deploy cyber tools to disrupt their adversaries and as extremists wield social media to spread radicalizations, our screens and systems become weapons. The international community now faces an urgent need to set boundaries and develop strategies to protect these digital front lines. Because, as history has shown, the smallest line of code can unleash the largest impact, forever altering the balance of power in our increasingly interconnected world. The digital world is our new battleground. Its benefits are clear, but so are its risks. And in this era of digital warfare, every nation, every individual stands vulnerable.